Okay, so you're ready, you're gung-ho. You want to work in property management. First off, congratulations, you picked, in my opinion and in many people's opinion, the greatest industry to start your career. Why? It's not going away, it's a basic human need. Shelter, right? There's gonna be a need for property management forever. Here's the other reason why. There is an incredible amount of terrific jobs for people that want to start their career in property management. You just have to have the right training, you have to have the right skills, and you got to have the right attitude and energy. If you've got all of those, the sky is the limit for your career. We can help you get a job as a leasing agent, a leasing consultant, a property manager, an assistant property manager, a regional property manager. Listen, property management companies are looking for great people just like you. Well, you want to know how do you get started in your career in property management? I'm going to tell you right now, there's the hard way and there's the easy way, hard way. You can go out and apply. Maybe you get some calls backs. Maybe you go on a few job interviews. For the most part, here's what you're going to hear. And I know it's not fair. Hey, you don't have property management experience. We're looking for somebody with a little bit more experience. And I know, I get it. I'm with you. It's not fair. How do I get experience in property management if they'll only hire people that have experience in property management? Well, that's the hard way, okay? Here's the easy way. I want you to check out leasinguniversity.com. We can get you certified in less than 30 days. You can learn everything that you need to know, from answering the phones to working with prospects to determining their wants and needs, handling any objection or complaint that comes your way. And most importantly, you're going to have that certificate that shows that property management company you know how to close the deal. You know how to get leases. You know how to get their apartment communities occupied. You'll have your certified leasing consultant credential. If you would like my help personally, I'll also write you a letter of reference that you can bring to the job interview that explains to that employer the experience that you have now, the training that you've had, and the skills that you can bring to the table to help that property management company achieve all their goals. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.